Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select a model when you are checking out a skeleton on the Complete Anatomy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and open one of these atlases. Then click on the model button down below in the left side corner of the screen. That's the first button. Here you can find female and male models, and also detailed ones showing the blood vessels, bone cross section, and so on. If you tap on one of these models, you are going to find a bunch of options that you can check out, such as the full body of the model, head and neck, upper limb, thorax, and so on. So tap on a relevant body part you are interested in, and here you are going to find the model. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.